As my first brick was laid, my makers saw a dream. Their dream was to contribute to the future of India in every possible way. I was brought to life with a lot of passion, love, and hope. The moment I was born, I knew big things were going to happen in future. It has been a glorious beginning. I have seen the best of smiles and the best of success stories within my walls. I have seen the most precious stories come alive. I have been built with a lot of love and hope, and I pass that on to whoever walks through my gates. I genuinely care about the well-being of my stars, my children. I am the Mount Litra Z School, Ahmedabad. I am a school where you will always see happy and inquisitive faces. The school day starts with a sincere prayer to God, and the saga of learning continues. Students are eager to learn every subject, be it science, maths, or languages. I am focused on the all-round development of my children. My children are brilliant not only in academics but also in every sport. We inculcate the spirit of healthy competition in every child through sports, and there is something to love for everyone. One can choose to play cricket, basketball, kabaddi, football, archery, or sports like squash and rifle shooting as well. Dance and music is another thing almost everyone loves. We bring out the rock star in every kid. Meet the guardians of the Mount Litra world. They have something to say.
Our vision is to shape global mind on Indian soil,
to create an excellent educational institution,
to development of our future ready children.
synthesizing the human values
The school will give every student an access to world-class infrastructure,
with the highest quality of teaching learning using modern technology
an innovative curriculum that promotes all-round development of child.
for preparing a well-rounded personality for our society.
I am a Mount Literan.
I am a Mount Litra.
I am a Mount Litra.